G'day. Let's talk sense about cars. Not great big ones. Or tiny little ones. No, I want to talk about a happy medium. New Ford Cortina 6, the thinking man's car. Oh, there's one now. Oh boy, there's plenty to think about. Long-range headlights, power bulge bonnet, 2 big performing 6s. Wow, it's nippy and easy handling too, with loads of big car goodies, like this stretch-out roomy luxury inside, and a really quiet wide-track ride. Performance? Those extra cylinders make light work of the longest country haul and heaviest city traffic. So, after you've thought about all the good things, including a nice low price, see your Ford dealer and think about which Cortina 6 you'd like to drive away! Cortina 6, the happy medium.
Number up, girls.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cortina.
Cortina?
Cortina 6.
You've even more to smile about with Cortina.
New Cortina 6. 130 and 155 horsepower 6-cylinder engines. 4 headlights. A new power bulge bonnet. And more luxury than ever. New Cortina 6. The happy medium. Going Ford is the going thing.
You get a lot to smile about with Cortina.
Cortina wagon. The biggest you can buy without buying a big wagon.
You're not too big on Cortina. Cortina gives you a lot to smile about.
Cortina sedan. The biggest you can buy without buying a big car. Choose a lively, economical 4. Or the smooth, effortless performance of Cortina 6.
Try Cortina on both sides, and soon you'll realize there's a lot to smile about.
It's the happy medium. Test drive Cortina 4 or Cortina 6, sedan or wagon. Going Ford's the going thing.
Smile.
New-sized Cortina, designed to give you much more room inside without extra length outside. There's new luxury right through, including high-back seating. A new 2000cc overhead cam engine gives the economy of a 4 with the performance of a 6. New full-coil suspension for smooth big car ride. New rack and pinion steering for precise handling, with the widest road-hugging track in its class. Totally new. That's Cortina, the biggest car you can buy without buying a big car. It's the happy medium.
Smile.
The large light car race has attracted a lot of Japanese entries. In fact, there are just 2 hometown contenders. One of the local boys looks confident. Ford Cortina XL. Inside, it offers, as standard, contoured reclining buckets, sporty new dash, push-button radio, 5-passenger comfort, 4-speed shift. In a word, great. Outside, the same story. Great. Right down to its rack and pinion steering and front power disc brakes. Cortina XL. Superior performance to Datsun 180 BGL. Priced under Mazda 929 Deluxe. Priced under Galant GL. And priced under the General's Tirana SL 1900. The closer you look, the better it looks. New Ford Cortina. Going Ford is the going thing. The light car game attracts a lot of overseas players, and they all come with a reputation for a high level of standard equipment.
Bastard. High pass.
But there's an Australian car that comes up trumps every time. New Ford TD Cortina. When all the cards have been put on the table, Ford Cortina is the large light car that comes up with a winning hand. It has something over most when it comes to features, and something under its major competition when it comes to price. The closer you look, the better it looks. New Ford TD Cortina. Going forward is the going thing.
Here's the Ford Cortina XL, a great car with a whole lot of standard equipment. Now, there's a 76 Cortina XL. With all the standard equipment of last year's model, plus the extra value of rectangular quartz halogen headlights in a blackout grille, and radial ply tyres.
I've got to admit, it's getting better. Getting better all the time.
Hey, you car.
And inside you'll find colour-coordinated carpet, console, door trim and bucket seats. There's more room in the back and a rear window demister. All standard.
Getting so much better.